Hey, y'all, can you believe it's Christmas? It's Christmas!
It's Christmas.
And we want to wish all of our friends out there a Merry, Merry Christmas.
I'm a baby.
You are a baby.
I'm not.
You're Guinea's baby.
I'm not a baby.
Okay, you're Guinea's big girl, maybe.
And don't talk to me like that.
Don't talk to you like that. What are you doing? My makeup.
Makeup.
So I have asked them. I've got two missing: Sullivan
And Linton.
and Linton and Olivia. I got three missing, y'all.
Linton did not remember them.
I know it.
I'm gonna go get it.
No, you come back down here. We're reading a book. You come sit down now. Right? Yes. You lost your spot. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's going to be a short story, y'all.
But I read the whole thing right now.
I know you did. I saw you reading it.
But I did not read the whole thing.
All right, so let me tell y'all about this little book. I bought this book at a yard sale before we ever moved to Savannah.
What?
Because I just liked it. It was old back then. Let's see if I can see the date. Do you see the date?
There's no date.
Yes, it is right there. What does it say?
Oh, it says 1972.
Yeah. See, so it's pretty old.
That's it.
I used to read this to Jack when he was a little boy.
Hey, Mr. G.
And I read it to Maddie too.
You were born in the Hey, look at me, camera.
All right, so this is called the Santa Claus book.
Don't look at her. I'm the star. I'm the star.
It's going to be a great book, y'all.
I'm the star. She's not.
I know it. And you know what your sister told me earlier?
What?
I told her, I said, Olivia, you look so pretty. She said, thank you. You know I'm prettier than you. And I said,
kidding.
yes, I know that.
You're kidding.
No, I'm not kidding. All right, here we go. Santa's sleigh was piled high with toys, and Santa's list of boys and girls was so long that it made a curly tail behind my sleigh. Thank you. Ho, ho, laughed Santa as the sleigh landed softly on the rooftop. This is a good Christmas. Down the chimney he went. He put a doll under the Christmas tree for Maddie Mae and a yellow truck beside the doll for Bennett. Whoa. At John's house, he left a train and he put a surprise in the real caboose. He left you a candy cane, John. Now the next house is Davis's house. And Santa said as he sailed across the sky, he placed a soft teddy bear beside Davis's pillow. Santa's elves had made the small bear just for Davis. He was a good Santa, wasn't he? He left a jumping jack for my jumping jack, Henry. And he left a drum for Jack. Then he checked his long list to see who was next.
Really?
As he read, he felt something tugging at the end of the list. A little lost puppy was chewing Santa's list. Oh, ho, ho, said Santa. You're a hungry fella. We'll find a home for you. Santa tucked the puppy into his sack. He put him right on top of a furry toy tiger. At Matthew's house, Santa looked around. Did the puppy belong to me? No, Matthew. No, Matthew had two little kittens. Well, that doesn't make sense, does it, Matthew? Did the puppy belong to Jody? No, Jody had a pretty parakeet. Then Santa came to Millie's house, and he pinned to Millie's Christmas stocking was a note. Dear Santa, my puppy is lost. If you find him, will you bring him home, please? Your friend, Millie. Well, well, said Santa. He opened his sack to get his little lost friend. But where was the little puppy? Santa looked under the toy boats in his sack.
What?
No puppy there. He looked under the toy
puppy.
guitars. No puppy there either.
Puppy. I want my puppy.
I know I do too. Then Santa looked inside a dollhouse, and there was the puppy, sound asleep. So Santa put the puppy in Matthew's stocking. He tied a ribbon around it to hold the
Don't you mean
puppy
Millie's
snugly. Well, we're going to see what we have for Millie. No, you've already got something. Then he tiptoed into Linton's room and put the sock full of puppy beside Linton's pillow.
What do I have in mind?
When Linton woke up and found his puppy, he was happy, and so was the puppy. And jolly old Santa Claus was the happiest as he called back, "Merry Christmas, Olivia. Merry Christmas, Henry. Merry Christmas, Bennett. Merry Christmas, David. Merry Christmas, Davis. What did I call him? Davis. Merry Christmas, Davis. Merry Christmas, John. Merry Christmas, Millie. Merry Christmas, Maddie Mae. Merry Christmas, Matthew. Merry Christmas, Jack. And Merry Christmas, Linton and Olivia, wherever you are.
Lynn's watching Charlie.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone." Y'all were so good. It didn't take but an hour to get them seated. Merry Christmas, y'all. God bless. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.